Hi, I'm Josh Ibarra, and this is my Module 1 assignment for AEP 800. Um, so a little bit about me. I grew up in Kansas my entire life. Grew up in Southwest Kansas in a town called Ulysses. Attended K-State for college, even though I'm a huge KU fan. Kind of a weird story there. Just ended up going there. Loved it though. Enjoyed all my time at K-State. I love hunting. I love fishing. I love traveling. I love being with family. I do that as often as I can. Some of the pictures over here you can see as far as hunting and traveling. Some of the pictures I've taken in my life and on just here recently, really last couple of years. I work at Medicine Lodge High School. I am a high school teacher. I teach high school social studies, American history mainly, and then I also teach PE, weights classes predominantly. I am a high school football coach. I'm the head football coach here. I'm also the head boys basketball coach. So I stay pretty busy, but I enjoy coaching. I love working with the kids and building those relationships. Our school has a fantastic environment. We have a lot of incredible employees here. We have, in my opinion, the best principal I've ever been around. He's a no nonsense guy who will support you no matter what, unless, I mean, obviously you do something silly, but um, he has your back when parents come in. He makes sure that they come to you first. He is just the hardest working principal and well, actually one of the hardest working people I've ever known. As far as the technology side of things, though, we do lack, and a lot of this is because of funding. We not only lack in the hardware, but we also lack in the knowledge in a lot of areas. We are doing a lot of things to try and improve this. We are currently working on a bond issue that would really help as far as the connectivity of our internet and some of our bandwidth issues here. Also improving, we're bringing in robotics as part of what we're doing here at our school. Um, I think about every classroom is equipped with either a smart board or a Promethean board, and that is something that has been pushed by our board for the last probably 10 years. And we're trying to get there. We're one-to-one with Chromebooks with our kids, and so we do have technology. We just we're still lacking in some of the areas that we need to probably get an improvement on, or we're just kind of slowly getting there. As far as in the classroom, my critical reflection and this whole impact, implications, and influence of technology on kids and their success, I think is very important. We have a lot of kids, especially in today's day and age, that are very tech savvy, and they have to be tech savvy because a lot of the jobs are moving that way. So the impact can be a positive thing, and the influence can be a very positive thing. But I think there's a little negativity around it as well. Kids are very dependent upon electronics and technology, and sometimes they need to be able to interact with other people, whether it be in an interview process or whatever. But we have to prepare them for a tech-filled world, and that's kind of our main focus right now, is to get them as tech savvy as possible in the right way and not falling into those traps that some of those technologies can have. As far as critique of my own personal use of this stuff, we do have Chromebooks, like I said, one-to-one, and I utilize those because I've gone to PBL, project-based learning, and it's not perfect so far. This is my first year doing it, and I'm working out a lot of kinks. But there's probably some other resources I really could use, and I've talked with our librarian about that, and she's helped me out in a lot of ways because I'm not, Mr. Tech guy here. So I do have a Promethean board. I've had that my entire time here, and I've underutilized that completely. I know there's a lot of cool things that can be done. Mine's getting out of date, but still there's a lot of things I could have used. I used to use it for geography and maps and different things. And for those of you who don't know what a Promethean board is, it's very similar to a smart board. You can draw on it, with electronic pins and whatnot. It's a pretty neat thing, but I never had any training on it whenever I got here, really. And so therefore I just it's just there. I use it as a projector, and that's about it. I don't use my textbook resources that I have. We got brand new textbooks last year. I don't use those very often, and a big part of that is because of the project-based learning. I've kind of moved away from the textbooks. So, those are areas I could really work on as far as my tech, stuff in the classroom. My plan of action to hopefully fix this is in three parts here. More PDC training, whether that's the school setting that up or me going outside and going to ESDAC and getting that taken care of in Hutch. Personal research, if I don't have time to get out and go to and get the PDC training that I need, I can research things, whether it be online or I could communicate with peers. Like I said, I've talked to our librarian, and there's some other people within our school district that would be more than willing to help me out with ideas. And I know there's neighboring school districts that are very technologically advanced compared to us that I could go talk to. Impact of funding. Obviously, funding is a huge issue in education, especially when it comes to technology. But I think we can find alternative methods. We can find different ways to incorporate it, whether it's through fundraising, donations, or grants. I know there's a lot of grants available, and we do take advantage. A lot of people do take advantage of these grants to get this, these different pieces of technology in our school, and that's really good. So, but anyway, that's me. That's what I've got here, and that's kind of how I feel about technology. Very important. We lack a little bit. I lack in the classroom as far as using it, but it is something that's important. It's something that we've got to get incorporated and do a better job of incorporating. So, thank you.